There's a debater channel in North Massachusetts. It's 10 above 0 at 8 a.m. Good morning, everybody. It's time now for the morning news of the stories of Tuesday, February 10th, 2026. Good morning, y'all. This Tuesday morning, February 10th, 2026. It's 8 a.m. and 10 above 0 in North Massachusetts. Here are the nine that are top three at 8 a.m. as Order Economy slides back into the day. Anchor as she covers for Savannah and Guthrie. As the search for Savannah's Margaret Nancy is in its 10th day. Democrats reject White House ICE offer as partial shutdown looms. Ghislaine Maxwell appeals for clemency from Trump as she declines to answer questions. Trump presses block over the U.S.-Canada bridge in the Detroit area. Significant amount of counterfeit goods found at Massachusetts flea market. 3 people charged, police said. King Charles ready to support police as ASS Andrew claims over Epstein. South Carolina nears 1,000 cases of measles and upstate outbreak. Epstein files Prince William and Princess Catherine concern. Philippines Supreme Court rules same-sex partners can co-own property. South Korean firms urge government to facilitate visits to inter-Korean industrial complex. A probe into the major data breaches case at an e-commerce giant companion Kubernetes confirmed that over 33.6 million accounts have been exposed, South Korea's science ministry said Tuesday. A federal appeals court on Monday sided with the Trump administration's effort to end deportation protections for Honduras, Nicaragua, and Nepal. American Airlines pilot flight attendants muted their grievances with CEO. U.S. intercepts oil tanker in Indian Ocean from Caribbean. In Mansfield, one of the drivers involved in the serious crash was shut down. A major section of town that seriously injured 2 people. Monday was on a police pursuit from Franklin Police before crashing in Mansfield on the intersection of School Street and Route 140. Bridgewater Raynham schools face new budget woes. Raynham police chief gets 10% raise wide. Divided select board okayed it. Take a look at stocks. The Dow up 21.20 at 5135.87. S&P 500 up 32.52 at 64.82. And Nasdaq up 207.46 at 23.23.67. Sports time last night. Boss Norton Lancers boys basketball beyond 29 points by Giovanni Melendez beat the Ashley Clockers 72-34. Tonight they'll be hosting the Midway Mustangs at 6:30 p.m. at the Rock Gymnasium. And the Norton Lancers boys girls basketball fell the Ashley Clockers 56-53. And in NBA action, Detroit Pistons 110, Charlotte 104, Buckeyes 123, Chicago Bulls 115, Utah Jazz 115, Miami Heat 111, Orlando Magic 118, Milwaukee Bucks 99, Minnesota Timberwolves 138, Atlanta Hawks 116, Nas Pelicans 120, Sacramento Kings 94, Cleveland Cowboys 119, Denver Nuggets 117, Golden State Warriors 116, Memphis Grizzlies 113, OKC Thunder 118, LA Lakers 110, Portland Trail Blazers 135, Philadelphia 76ers 118. Men's golf basketball, it's St. John's 87, Xavier 82 overtime, Louisville 118, North Carolina State 77 to Kansas City 2, Arizona 78. Women's golf basketball, it's Texas 64, Kentucky 53, and Vanderbilt 102, Oklahoma 86. Olympic ice hockey, women's hockey, it's 3-4, Japan number 9, 50-11 in the third period. Minus Peters and Kansas heads number 1, Arizona first loss. Raiders official named Clint Kubiak as new head coach. Njoku confirms long-time runs 10 years over, and St. John's Patriot Club's winless at expense of St. Richard. Take a look at Traffic Watch at 8:05. Baby! Fitchburg Line train 405, 6:40 from North Station operating 5 for the minutes basket between Shirley and Wachusett. Fitchburg Line train 410, 7:15 from Wachusett operating 5 for the minutes basket between Air and North Station. Fox Line train 1716, 7:15 from Fox operating 5 minutes basket between Reedville and South Station. Greenbush Line train 1057, 7:05 p.m. from substations operating 5 to 10 minutes basket between West Singham and Greenbush. Havel Line train 218, 7:34 a.m. from Logs Pardon. 8 Logs operating 5 minutes basket due to wet police 3 and weather with that West 70 got struck by a train on Havel Line and the MBTA commuter rail. Providence Line train 818, 7:60 from Texas Center Falls. So Texas Center Falls is operating 34 minutes beyond schedule due to recalculation. Providence Line train 818, 7:10 a.m. from Providence Line originated from Texas Center Falls at 8. The recalculation next to my turn from Providence will be train 820, 7:02 from Whitford Junction, and Providence Line train 820, 7:02 from Whitford Junction operating 25 minutes beyond schedule between Providence and South Station to train traffic. And 295 northbound side. It's backed up by Route 95 at Attleboro Stretch. 95 south of the back between Protect out of Providence. 146 is backed up between Route 50 and 95 at downtown Providence. 95 northbound is back between Route 37 walk to Route 128 in the 195 in the Providence area. 185 is back between Seacock and Washington Bridge. 195 back between 95 Washington Bridge. 146 is back to 50 to 95 at downtown Providence. 295 is back before Route 7 in Smithfield Stretch. East Bay Bridge is about open to the southbound side. A little bit slow. 28 southbound side is also to the border rotary. 95 northbound side is back to 152 and northbound rotary. Then hit between Route 1 and shared on the Route 128 Canton Stretch. 28 for the northbound side. It's back to the red off stretch. Route 128 Canton Stretch. Route 3 northbound side is back to Weymouth down in the Breakthrough Split. 7 Expressway is back to the Breakthrough Split. Then the downtown Dorchester 7 Expressway is back to the Dorchester Stretch. Route 128 is back up between the Breakthrough Split. Down at the red off stretch. And 128 is back between Breakthrough Road and the land at Adam. 7 Expressway is back up between the Breakthrough Split. Downtown Boston. Pike East back between Fairfield all the down to the Logan Airport in Boston, and Pike Westman also between Logan Airport and South Boston. 485 south of the back between Hopkins and Stretch. 93 south by side is back between Salem and Old and down to Boston. 120 to the north by side is back between PBD Stretch. 128 south of the back between Litchfield and down to Wellesley. 120 to the north by side back between Wellesley Stretch. 3 south of the back between Lowell down to Milwaukee. 485 is back between Edward and down to Tewksbury. Today eastbound also on 146 to the route down to Worcester. And 91 is back to the Long Meadow Stretch. 91 south of the 291 to I-84 in the Hartford area. 84 eastbound also on between 8 and 1 again. Merritt Park Way slope between Bridgeport. 95 north by the back between Sanford Stretch and 93 south by the back between Cochran and Pierce Stretch. Beer Children's High, 809, time now for weather. It's with the weather rising, this should have been Essex, Middlesex, and Suffolk counties for 3 to 4 inches. Snow possible tonight with the weather rising issue in Hartford and Western Davenport County for a glaze and ice possible tonight. A fast moving clipper will bring in a period of accumulated light snow started late this afternoon, but late tonight. Quiet pattern with appears like nuisance light snow and minimal impacts. Temperatures moderate to near seasonable. Normal temperature turns late weekend for potential coastal storm, but forecast confidence remains low due to track uncertainty. Key. A fast-moving clipper will bring a period of accumulated light snow started late this afternoon, but late tonight. A middle-level shortwave show is expected to move into New England to the south, with that surface low tracking the well to our northwest, southwest, northwest, low jet companies of system helping to affect the plume of above normal buoy show 152% of normal. Barnett said it had a warm front and advanced low level jet will support a create a snow level later today and tonight. As snow flurries arrive late this afternoon and this evening from west to east wind of the most continent to the shores of the Massachusetts, especially north. Majority of model in the double guidance agrees on the light accumulation of 0.5 inches, 3 inches. There will be a few things under the plate could be favorite periods of moderate snowfall rates. Model guidance has identified warm frontal force in somewhere in east northeast Massachusetts this evening. In addition to this event, low level jet from the southwest will bring stronger descent as it pushes closer late tonight. And model silence show sufficient left with Finland and Denmark growth for a zone this evening and night, showing a favorable environment for more than that. Snow rates as a result, beds with moderate snow rates are possible with the highest chance of the Massachusetts with the most consistent abandoned position over the northeast Massachusetts. But timing this evening, late tonight, is the more likely chance for the sea periods of moderate snow before dry air works to the aloft. Precipitation exists in the region early Wednesday morning. HRF possibilities are reflect this 57% probabilities across East 6 County for 3 inches snow greater, but lower probabilities for greater than 4 inches. Additional counties show potential for closer to 3 inches on those surrounding communities. Central Middlesex County, all this means that the favorite areas of the land snowfall. We can see locally up to 45 inches, mainly in the northeast Massachusetts and winter warm reverses has been issued in those areas. However, kept down the secondary low development offshore today. Cape associated with inverted trough is more likely favored to impact areas of further not main indicate it's in a low position track that's lower than the risk of another Misu scale force or it has snowfall in the region with a warm noise pushing in from the south. Whenever mix of change terrain is possible late night, early Wednesday morning, especially while the immediate south coast of the Cape Downs. And model centers indicate potential for a change over the freeze rain into the Hartford County. And in the Berkshires late night, this will likely be a brief period, but potentially not weakened glaze ice as a result. We issued a winter advisory for those areas of light glaze ice possible towards the end of the event. After midnight, the upper middle level dry fairly quickly leaving the century at the low levels. Patchy freeze and drizzle may be possible for the full column dries out Wednesday morning. Model 7 has been borderline when showing this potential lower covenant convergence with a drizzle and snow mass will be limited and result farther south. Quiet pattern overall with the periods of nuisance light snow to minimal impacts. Temperatures vary to seasonal novels attention towards the late weekend for potential coastal storm, but forecast tremendous and breeze low to the track uncertainty. Wednesday for Saturday, feature generally be downriver area. Surface low exits east of the coastal waters. Wednesday has high pressure builds across the Midwest, while the pressure gradient is modest and will support northwest wind gusts of 20 to 30 miles an hour. Wednesday afternoon, our temperature will remain seasonable in the mid upper 30s spot. Wind chills will be followed in the 20s. Surface low. Spots west at as subtle inverted trough extended westward. Maybe there's a few snow showers made across Cape Town and the nearest southward out Cape Cod. In the early Thursday morning, moisture is limited and forcing the dark well aligned in the Denver growth, so limited snowfall to light coated at most. A wide surface high pressure builds across the eastern quarters throughout the end of the week, maintenance seasonal temperatures at upper level low and north stream. Shock wave across New England Friday night and early Saturday, bringing a low 30% probability of snow showers. It remains a moisture storm system with cracks below climate down to the normals, but that amount of accumulations are possible across higher trains of northern and western Massachusetts. Looking at the guidance signal potential for a coastal storm late this weekend and early next week. Particularly remains low in this range. Most ATC Tuesday guidance favors the track well offshore. The weather packs the summer New England, the UK mid-team remains an outlier with a closer solution due to benchmark. The time confidence that any impacts remain low fact the system bears monitoring. Today, increased skies about 34 degrees, calm wind coming south and 5 miles after night. Snow freeze rain before 1 a.m., then a chance of snow between 1 a.m. and 4 a.m. Low end 25 degrees. Light variable wind, chest pace is 8%. No stigration weather twitch is possible. Wednesday, most of the skies about 37 and low, 20 degrees and west about 8 to 13 miles size. 24 miles for Thursday. Most of the skies about 34 low, 14 degrees and northwest about 7 to 9 miles size. 20 miles for Friday. Sky about 34 low, 18 degrees and northwest about 5 to 7 miles per hour for Saturday. Sun sky about 36 low, 15 degrees and northwest about 7 miles an hour for Sunday. Partly sun sky about 38 low, 26 degrees, calm wind coming southwest about 5 miles an hour for Wednesday, just birthday. Chance rate of snow, mostly sky about 40 degrees and a decent about 6 to 8 miles an hour chest paces for the Saturday. Right now, not temperature standing at 7 above 0 in fair skies. And that's going to be it for our morning report on this Tuesday, February 10th, 2026. I'm Peter J. Wednesday. Have a good morning, everybody. Stay safe, be well, have your day, and good morning.